Musamseleku and his sister Nomphumelelo, they have to fix their relationship. Musamseleku was admitted at hospital. Nomphumelelo never checked on her brother Musamseleku. Macele told Nomphumelelo that her brother is admitted, but Nomphumelelo didn't do anything. I think she was wrong. Even Musamseleku, how bad he is, Musamseleku was the one who was taking care of Nomphumelelo. Their mother passed away, Ugogo Flo. So Nomphumelelo, you have to forgive their brother, because nowadays life is too short. She is going to regret it. Nomphumelelo, Musamseleku's sister, and Musamseleku's wives, they don't have a problem. We saw Nomphumelelo at Makumalo's wedding, at Macele's anniversary. She was doing it for Makumalo and Macele, not for Musamseleku, because we saw Nomphumelelo with Makumalo at that photo, but Musamseleku doesn't want to talk with his sister. Musamseleku at another side, he was wrong. It's like Nomphumelelo maybe was the one who was forcing to be with her brother. What? I don't understand what's going on. Nomphumelelo is the kind of the person who doesn't want to talk too much, who doesn't want to have got noise. That's why she is quiet. Musamseleku was complaining that Nomphumelelo is getting married, but she didn't tell Musamseleku. I think Nomphumelelo was wrong, because family is very important. She doesn't even to not inviting Musamseleku. Musamseleku is a public figure, and some of the men, they can take advantage that you are not in good books with your husband. Other men, they start abusing you because they know that you can't. There is no one who can stand with you. So Nomphumelelo and Musamseleku, they have to fix their relationship, because sometimes Musamseleku, he is rough in another, because Nomphumelelo quit season 3, but Musamseleku was treating Nomphumelelo bad. The way Musamseleku, he is treating Makumalo is the way Musamseleku treats Nomphumelelo. That's why Makumalo told Musamseleku that you are ungrateful. That's why people are treated you like that. Mayeni, the way she is treating Musamseleku was the one who caused it. Even Mangwawe was very hurt because of her husband Musamseleku. So sometimes there is no need to blame Nomphumelelo. Musamseleku, sometimes there is something he is missing, but they have to they have to fix their relationship, because those people are the two of them on their family. Musamseleku doesn't have another family. We don't know Musamseleku's family, because people who he is calling family are friends who are outside, not his blood family. We don't know Musamseleku's blood family. So Musamseleku and Nomphumelelo, they have to fix their relationship. Nomphumelelo doesn't have a problem. Even to see the way Musamseleku, he is treating Makumalo, Nomphumelelo doesn't say anything, because she knows her brother the way he is. Maybe he thinks that he is God or what. You understand him? Makumalo, the way he was treating Nomphumelelo decided to leave, not to come back again. It's the way he is treating even Makumalo, because we started saw their true colors on season 6. Behind or on season 1, uthando nestembu season 1 to season 3, they don't want to show us their true colors. People, we are saying those people, that family is united, what, because they are pretending on cameras, but they stop pretending on season 6. Yes, season 5, season 4, we started so that Musamseleku, he is when it comes to his wives, he have got his favorite wife, the way he is treating Makumalo, what. On season 4, we started so Musamseleku some of the true colors, but on season 1 to season 3, those people, they were hiding. That's why people, they don't know what's going on, because Musamseleku, we can say they are getting along with his sister on cameras, but behind the cameras, there are a lot of things happening behind the cameras. That's why we are blaming Mayeni, but Mayeni was right, because there are a lot of things happening behind the cameras. Now they decide to bring it on cameras.